Back in 2009, a massive landslide carried away 2 houses in eastern Germany. This image you see here sparked our interest to find any footage we could of the event, but unfortunately, it doesn't seem like any exists. Instead, we found something even bigger. Alta, Norway is a city that sits on the northern part of the country, along the banks of the Alta Fjord. Back on June 3rd of 2020, a man was making lunch when he heard creaking coming from outside. When he went to look, he saw power lines ripping and the ground moving. Immediately, he ran outside and began filming. Here is the raw, uncut footage that he captured. A massive landslide carries houses, barns, and trees into the Alta Fjord. There was no stopping it once it got going, and all anybody could do was watch as their homes got swept off to sea. It almost looks like someone dropped their Monopoly pieces in the bathtub. According to the New York Times, the landslide swept 8 houses into the water. Thankfully, nobody got hurt, and the buildings were mostly vacation homes and cabins. The landslide ran over 2,100 feet along the shore and began nearly 500 feet inland, making it the largest they'd ever seen in Alta. The landslide was the result of quick clay, a term used to describe when clay collapses and flows like water. You can find such clay in Scandinavia, Canada, Russia, and Alaska. It's basically an unstable holdover from the last ice age. This wasn't the first time Norway experienced landslides of this nature, and I'm sure it won't be the last.